Tina here once again from shortmetina.com, doing a video recap for ticker IMTE. Right now what you're looking at is an hourly chart for the month of May, dating back to around May 2nd, May 1st, something like that. So IMTE, no stranger to anyone that's in this sort of like market of stocks that run really quickly. A couple of days ago, stock went as high as, what is it? Went as high as, wow, I didn't even know it went that high. Went as high as about $44 in a few short days from a low of $3. That is a completely explosive move. Obviously, like I always say, moves that happen that quickly, they revert back just as quickly. So it went from a high of 44 to most recently a low of around $10 or $11. We didn't quite give back all of the gains, but a majority of the run up from here we gave back. So today, we definitely saw a really explosive move in the first hour of trading. Stock went from a low of around $11 to a high of about 21, almost a double just within an hour of trading. And we more or less traded sideways for the last, for the remainder of the day outside of that first hour of trading. So again, outside of that first hour of trading, that explosive move in which it gained about 100%, we more or less have traded sideways for the remainder of the trading day. After hours activity isn't saying much, so I can't say this looks like it's gearing up to run tomorrow. However, considering that the stock did not roll over, but it traded sideways for the remainder of the trading day, I'd pay attention to this because it looks like it's gearing up for another move. I'm not saying that the stock is going to get back to $44, that move that happened at the earlier part of May, but it looks like it wants to run again. So again, after hours isn't saying much, but it is worthy to put on your watch list, especially when you see volume like this, which is similar to the volume you saw on its previous run up, right? And you can look here and there's no volume on the decline, but volume came back, which is always a good thing when you want your stocks to go up. You always want new people stepping in. So the levels I would pay attention to would be here, right? Just the range that we saw towards the ending of the day, where the low came in at around, what is that? $16. So I'd pay attention to 16. If this stock can actually trade above 16 for the next few days or for the next day or two, then that might be a safe place to go long for the next shoot up. But also pay attention to volume. You don't want it inching up on below average volume, because that would mean that the move is insignificant in my opinion. So definitely put IMTE on your watch list. Based on after hours activity, I don't think that stock is gearing up to run tomorrow. However, being that we had this explosive move here on above average volume, traded sideways for about the remainder of the trading day, says to me that it looks like the stock might be gearing up. Not quite there yet. I'd pay attention to that 16 level. If it can hold that, then you might have a runner on your hands. So that's my take on ticker IMTE. Head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.